It's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with my favorite hair products for the month of July. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. Okay, I was thinking I have not done a natural hair video in a while. I get so many compliments and comments about my hair, so I wanted to just show some of my favorite products that I've been using for the month of July, specifically on my hair. So the first one I want to start off with, let me see, reach over here. It is by Garnier. And I will list all of the products in the description box below that I am speaking of today. This Sleek and Shine, it is so good. I use this right after I shampoo my hair, and I apply this because I live in North Carolina and the humidity is horrible here. So I always like to use, you know, this Sleek and Shine. It really helps with the frizz. Well, it helps a little bit with the frizz. I can tell the difference because if I didn't use it, I wouldn't even have a curl or anything. So I think it really helps with, you know, keeping the frizzy dry look down. So yeah, love this stuff. The next item I want to bring up is my leave-in conditioners because I always love a leave-in. I wear leave-ins all the time. It's by Garnier as well. It's called Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning with Argan Oil from Morocco. It helps with frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair up to 3 days. Sleek. I like it. I like this stuff a lot. I mean, I've always liked Garnier products, and even now with my hair being natural, I have low porosity natural hair. Low porosity meaning it takes products a while. I have to force products into my hair. So this is a really good hydrating leave-in conditioner that I've been using just all month of July. Just like the way it's lightweight, so when I do my different styles, my twist styles, my wash and goes, it doesn't weigh my hair down. So this is one that is great for the summer. Love this stuff. Next item I'm going to go to is the shampoo that I've been using. I use shampoos often to make sure I get the buildup out of my hair. I use clarifying shampoos, but lately I've been using this moisturizing shampoo that I mentioned several times on my channel before because I just didn't know it was that moisturizing and that good. It's by Motions. It is sulfate free, which sulfate free isn't a bio for me because I use products that are not sulfate free in my hair. But Active Moisture Lavish Shampoo, Nourish and Restore, has shea butter, argan oil, and coconut oil in it. This shampoo is so moisturizing. Sometimes I forget that I'm using it and try to detangle my hair because it is just that moisturizing, and you can actually detangle your hair using this shampoo. I love Motions when I was relaxed, but yeah, this is a really good shampoo. Has great moisture. As I'm talking about Motions, I might as well bring the conditioner. This is one of my favorite, just if I'm just going to use the conditioner I'm putting my hair up in a ponytail, gonna throw on some leave-in, I would just use this conditioner. I love it. I like it a lot. And also, let's bring on the Weightless Daily Oil Moisturizer, especially when I am putting my hair up in, you know, my top knot, and I'd like to moisturize my hair daily using this. It is so good. So these three products alone, I haven't found a mask or a deep conditioner by Motions, but if you all have seen a deep conditioner, please, or a hair mask, please let me know because I will run and pick that up because I know it's going to be a great deep conditioner. I love Motions. Okay. We're gonna go also now, one of the products that I've used a couple of times a month, once a month sometimes, but I really always keep my Alpha G. Alpha G to me is one of the best reconstruction. Has keratin in it. It's keratin 2-minute reconstruction. I like this a lot. If you haven't never used this, read the directions very carefully or just ask your stylist. I use this at least once a month just to really help strengthen my hair. And plus I have color in my hair, so yeah, it really helps to strengthen it. So I love this. This is the only product that I've tried from this line and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It is Tgin Honey Miracle Hair Mask with raw honey, olive oil, and some other names in here. I'm just gonna let y'all see it. This hair mask, it's kind of thick, but it's so hydrating. I mean, my hair feels so good. I can tell a big difference in my hair, just how it feels. It's called Honey Miracle Mask. Love this stuff. So I am really going to pick up the whole system. If you want to see a demonstration on how I'm using this, or how you know, a review on it once I try it, please let me know. This stuff right here, I was so amazed. I didn't know how good it was. I've been using this all of July. Like I deep condition my hair twice a month, and I love it. Love it, love it. So I'm gonna look for some more of these products and pick it up and, you know, test them out and let you all know what I think about them as well. A couple of other items that I've used, and I love this product as well. Mielle. Mielle has a pomegranate and honey twisting souffle, and that's what I have right now. I have a twist out. That's the older twist out, but I use this. It's really hydrating, moisturizing, and I have different textures in my hair. It says it's for like type 4 hair, but I have type 4 in the back of my hair, on the sides. You know, I have a mixture, so I use this stuff. I love it, love it. This makes my twist out so hydrating, so moisturized, so plump. My hair feels really good. And this summer is a really different summer for my hair, because it's really, I could never wear my hair out in North Carolina twist out, wash and goes, because it shrivels up so bad. My hair just seems like it didn't have any moisture. So when I walk outside, my hair would just suck up all the moisture in the universe. That's what it felt like. And I would just look like a big poof frizz ball. But lately, I'm just telling you, my hair has been hydrated. These products are really helping my hair, and especially I think deep conditioning and really making sure your hair is hydrated, especially if you tend to have dry hair. And I wash my hair a little often in the summer, maybe 2 times, 3 times a week, because I work out, you know, it's hot out here, and anytime you step outside, I just have to come in, wash my hair, do things. You know, it's the humidity here. I'm telling you, North Carolina is hot. It's hot. It's hot. So the products that I use, I try to add hydration to my hair, so when I walk outside, my hair is not just that thirsty that is trying to suck up all the moisture everywhere. So big difference in my hair. So another product, and my husband, I have to hide it from him too, but he loves the Curl Smoothie Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. This is a great, I like this for wash and goes too. Like this, I did a video, I will link that in the description box below, how my hair came out when I used this, and my gel came out wonderful. So yeah, Mielle. Also, another product from Mielle that I really like is the Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Gel. This is a really, really, really good gel. I like this, not gel, this edge control, because sometimes when you apply gel to your hair, it makes it wet, and so sometimes it reverts, you know, but this is a better alternative. Let me just show you how this one looks. It's Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Gel. Wet Line Extreme. I know it's different. Usually I'm always showing my olive oil eco styling gel. This is like $2 or $3. You can get it at Sally's and Walmart, Walgreens. It's a very affordable. It has a really great hold to it without the crunchiness when I do my wash and goes, and I love that. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have used any of these products and you like any of these products that I have shown, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about these as well. Anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.